Is command prompt not opening, closing immediately, or refusing to run commands? Don't worry, there are several things you can check before resetting Windows. In this guide, I'll walk you through practical fixes, starting with the simplest ones and moving toward deeper system repairs. First, try opening command prompt another way. Press the Windows key, search for command prompt and open it. If that doesn't work, press Windows and R to open Run, type CMD and press Enter. If you're troubleshooting permissions, try running it as administrator. If CMD opens, but Windows commands behave strangely, corrupted system files could be the cause. Open an elevated command prompt if possible and run SFC/SCANNOW. Let the scan reach 100%, then follow the message Windows provides. If SFC doesn't fix the problem, DISM can repair the Windows component store. In an administrator command prompt, run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. This may take some time, so let it finish without closing the window. Don't worry if the progress appears slow. If CMD opens but says a command isn't recognized, the problem may be your path environment variable. Type echo %path% to display the current path. If important Windows folders are missing, commands may fail even though CMD itself is working. If command prompt still won't behave normally, a third-party program or startup service could be interfering. Try Windows Safe Mode to see whether CMD works there. If it does, a recently installed application or startup service may be causing the problem. Finally, make sure Windows is fully updated and run a security scan with Windows Security. Malware or damaged system components can sometimes interfere with command line tools. If the problem started recently, think about what changed around the same time, such as a new application, update, or system setting. And that's how to troubleshoot command prompt when it's not working. Start by trying another way to open CMD, then use SFC and DISM for system repairs. Check path if commands aren't recognized, and test safe mode if necessary. So work through the fixes in order, and avoid changing advanced settings unless you know exactly what they do.